How to change gender on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your gender on Facebook. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Facebook app, let's first visit the App Store over here or your Play Store if you have an Android, and let's search for Facebook. Let's tap on Facebook. So what we're going to do from here is to check if our Facebook is up to date. Like this one, if it says update, that means that my Facebook is currently outdated, and just tap on the update button so that you will be updating your app to have the latest features as well as the bug fixes within the app. However, if it says open right here, that means that your Facebook is currently up to date and you're good to go. Assuming that I am now done updating my Facebook app, let's just head on and open Facebook over here. And from the home page or from any other page, you have to be at our menu page. So to do that, let's just click on the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner. And to access our profile, let's just click on our name over here or the see your profile option. And now you should be at your profile. And from here, you should see the edit profile option right beside add to story. So just click on edit profile. And let's scroll all the way to the bottom, and you should see the option to edit your about info right below links. Click on that, and let's scroll down a bit, and under basic info you should see the information about the gender that you have assigned to this account. So to edit that, let's just click on this edit option in line with the basic info tab or section. Just click on edit. And these are the options for the gender you can assign to your Facebook account. So for example, I'm going to change it to female. Just tap on that. Also take note that your gender is public and can be seen by anyone. So you can also choose a custom option if you want. And if you have set that up, just click on the save button once you scroll down. And you should be able to successfully change your gender on Facebook. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.